Alright, bitches, let's make us a 2021 mood board. Hi guys, it's V. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you've been a subscriber. If you're new here, you should definitely hit the subscribe button down below. I had no idea that this video would be so in demand. I made a mood board for the first time ever this year just to manifest some shit because 2020 was just such a shitty year. I just wanted to start this year on a positive vibe, so I made myself a mood board, posted it all over Instagram, posted it on TikTok, and had so many people asking how I made it. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Get your laptops out, get your mobile device, get whatever, and let's get started. Alrighty, we've set up this screen recording, which I actually had no idea how to do. This is the first time I've had to do this. First thing we are going to do is create a new folder. So let's name this folder 2021 bitches, because that's how I like to name my shit. And then we're gonna go to Pinterest. So open up your Pinterest account. What I like to do when I'm searching for images is I like to type in whatever it is I'm looking for and then put the word aesthetic after it. When you just type in like wine, it might show you like wine, but if you type in wine aesthetic, all of a sudden you get cute shit like wine glasses on the beach, or like wine glasses on a balcony with like a cityscape, and it has like this cute grainy filter, you know what I mean? I like to get my quotes first. I actually saved all my quotes to a private folder on my Pinterest. These are some quotes. I'm creating a life of my dreams. I'm becoming the best version of myself. And the way I find other quotes that might match like my vibe or aesthetic, I guess, is I just go under where it says find some more ideas for this board, or I'll just click on an image I like and it will also show me more like this. So that's where I'll go in and download. So I'm gonna show you guys how I download. You just click the three dots on that pin and you click download image. That's it. And just as an example, then I'm gonna drag it to my 2021 bitches folder, and I'm just gonna keep doing that over and over. So if you guys were asking where I got some of my images, I did it by searching things like white bed aesthetic, because that's something I'm really into. The more specific you get, the better your searches are. Maybe something like flight aesthetic. You find those, you know, like window pictures, face mask aesthetic. You see a bunch of aesthetic face mask pictures. And you just keep going like that. Obviously, it might be helpful to make a list, like write down notes as to what you want on your mood board before you start picking the pictures. Self-care is really important, so I wanted a face mask picture. Reading was really important to me, so I chose a girl reading in bed picture and obviously chose a very aesthetic one. And I also wrote them down in this notebook when I did my 2021 intentions and goals, so that was super helpful. After you gather everything, you're gonna open Canva. If you already remember, you just go ahead and go to the search bar and you're gonna click desktop wallpaper. You want to create a blank desktop wallpaper. The dimensions might be a little off or just right depending on the device you have. For me, I have a MacBook, so I want to make sure it fits my MacBook screen perfectly. So let's see, MacBook 13-inch wallpaper dimensions, 2560 by 1600. So you can go up here and resize. We're gonna make it, see I already have it here as recent. You can type it in here as well and it will bring you to a new blank page. You're gonna go ahead and upload your media by clicking on the upload on the left hand side. I already have images uploaded, so we'll do that. So the way you're gonna start creating this mood board is by dragging pictures, easy as that, onto your board. I like to make some images like bigger if I want to see them more on my desktop. So I'm adding images, and I also want to show you guys how to position your images. So say that you want to start layering them over each other and you want a certain image to be over another one or under another one. Say like I want this airplane photo to be actually on top of this furniture photo. You're gonna click on it, you're gonna click position, and you're just gonna bring it forward. And that's it. You're basically just gonna arrange it. I'm probably gonna fast forward this section and then show you guys how to customize this for your mobile layout. Okay, so as you can see, I finished the mood board. I basically just rearranged and repositioned and resized and added images until I was content with the look and plugged in all of the gaps. And you are just gonna download it. Let's go ahead and now make this into a mobile wallpaper. You might wanna look up your iPhone or Android wallpaper dimension. So I have an iPhone 11. We're gonna do iPhone 11 wallpaper dimension. It'll bring you to a new blank page where you'll basically just redo the process, but the images are already there. You just have to resize them. Okay, cool. We just finished our mobile desktop. It was pretty easy, so we're just gonna save this the same way we did the other one. And then we have our wallpaper. All you have to do is set it as wallpaper on both your desktop and your iPhone or cell phone device. And that's literally it, super easy. If you create any mood boards, definitely tag me in your stories. And we're posting all the ones that I've been getting tagged in. I will leave both wallpapers down below as a WeTransfer link in the case that you do wanna use them. All you have to do is click on the link, download the file, and then save it to your iPhone or your desktop, whichever wallpaper you're using. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post this year. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos this year. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.